Hi, I'm Jax, and today I'm going to show you how I planted my onion seeds. Today I had a wonderful day because I got to plant these onions. Unfortunately, I didn't start my camera until the seeds were on top of the soil, but I did catch some stuff you may be interested in. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Today is February 5th, 2021. Zone 3B, northern Minnesota. We don't necessarily have any warmer days ahead. I'm using Purple Cow organic seed starter mix. Right now I have some moist soil and I have planted organic Walla Walla onions on this side. On the other side I've planted sweet Spanish Utah strain onions. The seeds are already sprinkled inside the cells. Those black little things, those are the seeds. It's early to be starting seeds inside. However, because I'm starting onions from seed rather than using sets this year, I'm gonna go for it. And these have to be a 1/4 inch underneath, so this will be plenty, if not too much. I'm not gonna pat them down or anything like that. I'm just gonna leave them like this. I have some vermiculite. Before I moisten the vermiculite and put it on top, I'm going to spray the seeds with some water. This is vermiculite. It's almost like a cork substance. I'm not exactly sure what it is. All I know is that it holds water. This is a wonderful addition to any of your container pots so that the soil doesn't lose moisture. There is some water in the bottom here, but not much. I'm going to spread this on top. I have the potting soil in, I have the seeds in, and I have the vermiculite on top. I have my heating mat on. I have my lights on. I've placed the moisture dome on top. Tomorrow morning I'll turn it on. I'll give it a good 16 hours of light. And in 10 days, hopefully I'll have little baby onions. Dang it! I didn't label them! I have to find some labels. I got this recent book, Month by Month Gardening in Minnesota, and I love it. It is a great guide. On my tag, I wrote what the seed was, how long it takes to germinate, what day I planted it, and what days I should start checking, making sure that it's been sprouted. The Walla Walla is Spanish. Now they are labeled appropriately, and now I can cover them. I will only check moisture levels, every couple days just to make sure that they're all right. The best part of my new grow system is that I can now adjust my lights. Oh, I'm excited I started something. I just finished up a project using a bunch of sequins. I've moved over to my art studio because it has better lighting. Oh, and that project that I was working on, it's a project for my gardening fence, and you can find that video right up there. Now that I've opened my seed packet, I need to make sure it's closed. Just gonna cover that little section that I had opened. I place my seeds in my photo box container to make sure that it is never gonna have moisture on it. I have them labeled and I place them in my seed container box with all my other happy seeds. This will go in a cool, dry, dark place. Now that I've planted the seeds, I made sure to just write down the day that I planted them, what kind they were, when I transplant them, how I have to space them, and when I need to harvest them. The Spanish Utah says it's 115 days. So really, I'm just gonna say June 1st, I should be able to harvest my first onion. However, that's the day we plant. So I don't think that's true. I just don't know how that could possibly be the case because it won't even be in the ground yet. I'm gonna put it on there to check Spanish onions, but I highly doubt that they will be ready. In fact, because I am so unsure of what's gonna happen here, I may start another set of onion seeds later. March 21st, I may start another set of seeds. So that's what I have for you guys today. I kind of just wanted to make another video about gardening because I'm kind of itching for my garden right now really bad since we're getting that cold front, and gave me an excuse to get my hands in the dirt. And when that happens, it's always a good day. And hopefully you're having a good day too. Thanks for tagging along. Till next time, love your guts. Bye. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel, consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer.